If you are new on our channel, please subscribe the channel and also watch the full video, because sometimes the basic concepts come in start of the video, sometime in center and sometime in last of the video. Also give your comments as well as like the video, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe the channel. So today we will discuss in the video practical reason to develop manual and procedures for ISO standards. As per the current ISO standards, ISO 9001, 14 and 45, there is no requirement for the mandatory procedures, manual and mandatory procedures, but still why companies or why organizations want to develop the manual, the procedures, and the record is required, the mandatory required in form of forms, but the procedures no more are required. So, but why the organizations want to develop the manual and the procedures? So now we will discuss this. Practical reason to develop manual and procedures ISO standards. For the ISO standards, this is one of the most important questions in modern quality and safety management. The short answer is you develop procedure for your business success, not for the ISO certificate. You are developing this for your business success, not for the ISO certificate only. So the manual and procedure not only provide us the procedures, but it also improve our business. So the ISO standards like ISO 9001 2015, ISO 45001 2018, and ISO 14001 2015 moved away from requiring a mandatory quality manual and our EMS manual or health and safety manual and a fixed list of 6 or more procedures to eliminate unnecessary bureaucracy. They change the focus from documentation to performance. So they focus on the performance rather than the documentation. However, for any real world organization, procedures and manuals remain absolutely vital for 3 core reasons. And now see what are the reasons. Ensuring consistency. The how of standardization. If you rely on verbal instructions or memory, every employee will perform the same task slightly differently. There will be difference. Standard operating procedures SOPs are the only reliable way to guarantee that a critical process, whether it is calibrating equipment, handling hazardous waste, or processing a customer order, executing the single best way every time, eliminating tribal knowledge. Procedure ensure that crucial expertise is documented and controlled by the organization, not just held in heads of a few long-term employees. This protects your business when staff changes occur. Quality guarantee. You cannot consistently deliver quality products or services, the goal of ISO 9001, if the steps used to create them are not uniform and repeatable. Providing competence, the proof for auditors. All ISO standards mandate that personnel to be competent. Class 7.2, ISO class number 7.2. Your procedures provide the concrete evidence need to meet this requirement. Training tools. Procedures are the foundation of your training program. They are the official document that new and existing employees must read, understand, and be evaluated against. Audit evidence. An auditor does not ask for a manual, but they will ask, how did you ensure this maintenance technician is competent to perform lockout, tagout on the specific machine? You answer as the document logout, tagout procedure. So you have to show them the procedure and the training record showing the technicians are trained on it. Without this link, you cannot prove competence. Clarity and complexity. For example, are high-risk tasks a procedure minimize confusion and error directly supporting safety ISO 45001. Monitoring operational control, risk management. While the standard does not use the word procedure often, it it frequently requires you to define and maintain documented information. So this documented information will be is evidence, not the procedure. Need to control process. Controlling risk for critical activities, documentation is required to ensure control are effective. For example, ISO 45001 occupational health and safety management are establish, implement, and maintain process for controlling hazard. These processes are your written instruction for safe work, handling chemicals, or performing emergency drills. The law requires it. Many government regulations require written programs like confined space entry permit or chemical hazard communication plan, regardless of ISO certification. You must develop these documents to stay legally compliant. The manual is a map. A simpler high-level manual is often developed to serve as the system map. It links the high-level ISO requirement like context, leadership, and planning to the specific procedure in your organization, making it easier for management and the auditor to understand the entire system's structure. Now let's see. Make this short by short in like 8 words or 8 reasons, eight reasons, and why is important. Internal consistency. This procedures require for internal consistency. Ensure everyone follow the same process. Then reduce errors and variation. Training and competence helps new employees quickly learn the correct way of working. Evidence of control. During audit investigation, you can show how processes are managed. Risk reduction. Written procedure reduce reliance on memory, favor safety and quality failure. Uh, Management expectation. Leadership often want documented for workflow for accountability. Customer requirement. Many clients still expect to see manual, especially in tenders. This is a requirement. Legal and regulatory compliance. Some activities, safety, food, chemicals, finance require documented control. Continual improvement. Documentation provide a baseline for improving process. If you have any question regarding this video, please write your question in the comment section, in comments where you have concern, and we will reply to your comments. Thank you very much, and we'll see you with the next video.